Meaning of FDR.
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 FDR. FDR stands for false discovery rate, which is a statistical method used to control the frequency of false discoveries in hypothesis testing when multiple comparisons are made. It measures the proportion of incorrect rejections of the null hypothesis among all rejections. The goal is to minimize the FDR while maintaining a reasonable level of statistical power. FDR has become a popular alternative to traditional methods such as the family-wise error rate and Bonferroni correction. Overall, FDR provides a useful tool for managing the risk of false discoveries in large-scale studies.